You ever wondered if you could link your Chime account to Cash App? Like, imagine the possibilities, right? One app to rule them all, or something like that. Well, grab your popcorn, because we're about to dive deep into this question. Now, I know what you're thinking. Seems pretty straightforward, right? Two popular money apps, they should totally be able to talk to each other. But hold your horses, because the world of fintech isn't always as simple as it seems. Let's break it down. Chime is primarily a spending and saving account, offering features like automatic savings and overdraft protection. Cash App, on the other hand, is more focused on peer-to-peer payments, investing, and even buying Bitcoin. They're like two different players on the same financial field. So, can they team up? The short answer is, not directly. There's no built-in integration between the two apps that lets you link them up like you would a checking and savings account. It's like trying to mix oil and water, they just don't blend. But don't lose hope just yet. There might be a workaround. Some people have suggested using third-party platforms or services to transfer money between Chime and Cash App. These platforms essentially act as intermediaries, allowing you to move your funds from one app to the other. However, it's important to do your research and choose a reputable platform to avoid any potential scams or fees. Let's talk about the potential benefits of linking Chime and Cash App. Imagine being able to easily transfer money between friends and family using your Chime balance, or being able to invest your savings through Cash App without having to manually transfer funds. It would definitely streamline your financial life. On the flip side, there are also some potential drawbacks. Relying on third-party platforms can introduce additional fees and security risks. Plus, you'd have to deal with multiple apps and accounts, which can be a hassle. So, while the dream of a seamless Chime and Cash App integration hasn't become a reality yet, there are still ways to manage your money between the two platforms. Just remember to weigh the pros and cons carefully before deciding what's best for you. And there you have it. The truth about Chime and Cash App compatibility. While it might not be the answer you were hoping for, hopefully, this video has shed some light on the situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.